YouTube. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the late 2011 MacBook Pro, Apple MacBook Pro. The model number is MD313LL/A as in Apple. This is the 13.3-inch LED backlit. It's a glassy widescreen display with edge-to-edge uninterrupted glass, 1280 by 800 pixel resolution. The CPU is 2.4 GHz Intel Core i5 dual-core processor, also known as in quotation Sandy Bridge, with a 3 MB share L3 cache for excellent multitasking. It has an Intel HD graphic 3000 with a 384 MB of DDR3 SD RAM shared with the main memory for power saving. And this one is upgraded to a 1TB Seagate Momentus XT solid state hybrid drive, and it is also upgraded to 8 GB of RAM. It's a 1333 Hz DDR3. It supports up to 16 GB. So later on, if I want to upgrade to 16 GB, I could also do that. And it has a 8-time slot loading super drive with the double layer DVD support, DVD plus minus R, DL/DVD plus minus RW, and then CDRW. Has a built-in FaceTime HD camera for video chatting, Wi-Fi wireless networking based on the 802.11n specification, and also have a 802.11a BG band compatible. Has a gigabit Ethernet wire networking card 10/100/1000, Bluetooth 2.1 plus EDR, which is enhanced data rate for connecting with peripherals such as keyboard, mice, and cell phones. 2 USB 2.0 port, 1 FireWire 800 port, has a SDXC card slot, Thunderbolt port with the native mini display port output plus support for DVI, VGA, dual link, DVI, and HDMI. Has a multi-touch trackpad. And full-size backlit keyboard, stereo speakers with the subwoofers. The weight is about 4.5 pounds, up to 7 hours of battery life. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this finally unboxed. Ouch. Almost cut myself. This knife is broken, I think. Anyway, I got this for $400 and then $89 free shipping, and then no tax. So I figure it's a pretty good deal. At first I'll try to get the new one, but I don't like it because it has a USB Type-C and it does not have all the connection that I will need, and I had to buy extra adapter. So that's what happened. So that's why I go for the old one. Has all the ports that I need. And also I fixed my sister's MacBook Pro, and somehow the speed was pretty fast. So hopefully I'm not gonna have problem with this one. So this is a used one too. So wow, let's see. So it has a phone protection and everything. This one it says that it has some scratches and stuff like that, so hopefully it's not as bad. So it says in very good condition with the scratches, a couple of scuffs and nick around the edges. So this seller is pretty good. Packed it pretty well. Ooh, I see a dent right there. It did not say anything about dent. So I might have to dispute it with him. Oh, man. It says scratches and nicks, so hopefully it's fully charged. Nope, it's not fully charged. So I gotta look at the battery life cycle too. See how many times has been charged. So there's some nicks right there. The scratches right there. Hopefully this is not refurbished. Okay, what's this? So that was my invoice. It says password. Because I update SSD hard drive for my sister, and her computer went pretty fast. So, and this one it has been upgraded to the new latest High Sierra OS X. So we see. So it boot up pretty fast. See the App Store. So I need to connect it with my Wi-Fi. Let me try to check the. Let me check how many cycle. So yeah, this is i5 2.4 gigahertz, 8 gigabyte of what? So I say 1600 megahertz DDR3. Let me see storage. So it shows that the cycle count is 454 count. So which is it's around there. So all right. So let me check it out. What the? I got no iMovie and stuff like that. What the? So I need to download the iMovie. Well, we'll see if I'm there. So yeah, the main thing that didn't tell me is there's a little dent right there. But anyway, let me check out the charger. So this one is a 60 watts MagSafe power adapter. And come with this extension cord. You see the color does not match. This one look whiter and this one look more yellowish. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, and be sure to hit that notification bell. And then please share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop me in the comments on below. Alright? Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace out.